Rainmaker 45-liter trolley battery sprayer with wheels and hose reel. Suitable for flower, potted plant, farmland fruit tree, vegetable greenhouse spraying and watering. Also suit for hospital, hotel, poultry houses pest control and sanitation prevention. Trolley type with 45-liter tank. Convenient for mobile spraying needs. Pi 8.5 high-pressure PVC braided hose. 50 to 100 meter hose for your choice. Suitable for a wide range for spraying. With chargeable battery. Save manpower and easier to operate. Turn it on, turn it off, and charge it, making it so easy and convenient to do farm work.
This charger sprayer can be used to clean cars, water plants, pet showers, and household cleaning. The yard sprayer is made of high-quality PE material. This way you can clearly see the remaining volume scale of the transparent bottle, allowing you to replenish the solution in time. Using ergonomic lock wrench not only reduces fatigue, but also facilitates long-time spraying operation. High-quality brass nozzles from direct spray to fine spray adjust spray intensity. It can also be used to lock the charger on the handle to continuously spray water.